So have been delayed for almost, it will be a total of 9.5 hours. Should have been docked at 7:30 this morning. It's now minutes to almost 3 o'clock as we head towards Mobile, Alabama. Should be there at 5 p.m. and we're slowly making our trek towards the port. Because of heavy fog, we have not been able to get into port until now. So what do you do when you're delayed? The ship is delayed for so long. Well, you hang out, you play pool, or you play golf, or you simply walk around. Working, of course, you're doing your thing. People play golf or swing. The kid is just a sports square and a fantasy. You come up here to play mini golf, pool, or just swing, workout. Or you can simply stand on this side and just watch as the ship approaches land. Of course, there are other things you can choose to do. For instance, let's go down the stairs. See. Hey. You can choose to play ping pong. There's something you can do all ship long, or chess over there, or you can simply sit by the rail, look out at sea, enjoy the music, extra music, or you can enjoy extra time at the pool. Some people took off their clothes, got in their swimwear, and they're back enjoying the pool until we're told it's time to get off the ship. Right now it's scheduled to arrive in Mobile at 5 p.m. and they will disembark as quickly as they can. We don't know how fast that will be, but they will make an effort to disembark. Of course, you also call out the DJ, let them play some extra music, and you can sit and eat some more. They have the buffet restaurant open, the burger place open, the Blue Iguana Cantina, Mexican food. Oh, that was open earlier, closed now. And so there are several things that you can do to pass the time. Then, if you are a little bit more adventurous, as some people are, you may go to the back of the ship. And you check out the waterworks, which is, hello, a twisty slide, and then one not so bad, just you have a twisty one here. This one twists, and then there's an easier one that is just the parallel slides that come straight down. So those are quite easy. But those are some of the things you can choose to do as you wait for your ship to get into port. Well, there's land, so we're not too far off. We're heading this way. Still can't see land because of the fog, but you can actually see the coastline over there. That's not so bad. It means that we're not too far out, and should be arriving soon. Well, 2 hours. This is Peter from PetesCruises-n-Travel.com. The only place for reviews that not saying so long. And I hope to see you someday on the high seas. Bye. Carnival Fantasy making its slow trek towards Mobile, Alabama.